friends, before going with the lab sessions, first we'll learn what is tag and their use cases. Ansible tag is an attribute in Ansible playbook. So basically, what is the use cases? So it is attribute. So we'll use when we will write a playbook. So we'll use that text attribute. Okay, what is the use case? Basically, when you will run a playbook, okay, suppose you have a large playbook, okay, so if you so if you want to run certain task, okay, from the large playbook, then you can filter by using text. Okay, there will be, suppose you have large playbook with thousands of tasks or hundreds of tasks, so but you want to run some particular task only, not whole playbook. Okay, in that case, so by using text you can filter. Okay, so only whatever the text you will pass during the playbook run, that person that task will run. Okay, okay, now I will show you how to run a playbook using tags. So friends, this is my Ansible host, which is background color is blue, and this is my client machine. Okay, where I will deploy the where I will install the packages. Okay, so I have created one playbook. Okay, for testing. This is my playbook. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, so in this case, what I have done, that the host or hosts and is the dev. Okay, where we are going to run the playbook. This is the group name. Okay, then as a user root. Okay, these are the tasks I have defined. Okay, so first task is the it will install the a postfix package. Then second will it will start the postfix service. Third, it will enable the postfix, and fourth task is the it will install the sendmail package. So for each task there is one tag. If you can see, I have given this tag is postfix. In this case also I have given postfix. So in this case also postfix, but in case of for the sendmail installations I have given another tags. Okay, sendmail underscore inst. Okay, so okay, now suppose I want to run some specific this person only. I do not want to run these many things. Only I will run this. I want this this task needs to be run. Okay, so I will use this task. Okay, I will pass the this tags during the run, then it will execute this person only. Okay, so let's see. So okay, so what I will do, so guys, you already know how to know how. So before running, I will check the syntax. I will verify the syntax. Okay, so verifying the syntax, I Ansible hyphen playbook. Okay, then the playbook name hyphen hyphen syntax hyphen check. Sorry, okay, there is typo. Okay, so there is no syntax error. Okay, now what I will do, I will run the playbook. Okay, using dry run. Okay, now no, I will not run the I will not execute, but I will first I will execute the execute that playbook in a dry run mode. Okay, hyphen hyphen check. Okay, then I will give the hyphen hyphen ask pass. Okay, because I have not establish establish that passwordless login between from Ansible host to the client. So by using, I am connecting through password only, so I am passing this parameter as pass. So in this case I am running the whole playbook. Okay, so Okay, then I'll give the password. This is only dry run. Okay, this is not the exact run. So it is going to see, in this case what is happening. So it is, there is task postfix package installations, ensure postfix service is running, enable postfix, then send mail. So whole task in this case is running. Okay, but using tag, okay, we can filter that thing. So suppose I want to run this person only. Okay, so what I will do, so I need to pass one parameter called -tags, -tags. Then, so what is the tag name? Okay, tag name is sendmail_inst. Okay, okay, so if I this, then see, so it will not execute the full things. Okay, so it will execute only this person. Okay, but so you can pass the parameter -tags, then the tag name for the task. Okay, so now we'll go with the exact run. So I will remove the check, because -check for the dry run only. So now I will exact run. So I will check that whether sendmail is installed or not. rpm-qa pipe grep, because okay, so sendmail package is not installed in the client. So if I'll run this, this playbook, so it will install the sendmail package in the client machines. Okay, then admin 123. Okay, so in these machines, because under dev, so this is the machine I have added under dev group, so it is executing on this machine only. So now it is, this task is going to execute. Okay, so it will take time. Okay, so if you want to pass so many tags also, by giving comma you can pass many tags also. Okay, so it will take time. So now it is trying to install the packages in the client machine. Okay, first it gathered the, so gathered the facts. Okay, then it is trying to execute the task. So now friends, my playbook got executed. So okay to change one. Okay, so now we will verify whether that sendmail package has been installed or not. Okay, so I will give same command rpm-qa. See, now this sendmail package got installed. So friends, in this way you can pass a text for multiple tags. Okay, -tags, then the you can mention, you can give that tags name. Okay, so friends, hope you enjoyed the session. Please stay tuned for next videos. Thank you very much.